This is our multi-layered, semi-automatic bird harvesting broiler chicken cage. We call it semi-automatic harvesting because workers need to go into chicken house and take the slatted plastic board out. Then, chickens drop onto the belt and are conveyed outside chicken house automatically. This manure belt can be used for cleaning chicken manure and also used for transport chickens. As for feeding, drinking, lighting, heating, ventilation are all fully automatic. If you want to convert floor system to cage system, you can use our 2 tiers or 3 tiers cage.